Hello boys, in this video I will show you how to log in to Getepic. You're going to open the link in the attachment and it will take you here to this page. You're going to log in here where it says students and educators, so you just click this button. And here where it says student login, you're going to log in here and you have to insert Miss Teresita's class code. This is her class code. It's ISJ0068. I like in island, S like in sun, J like in jellyfish. Alright? Anyway, the class code is there in the instructions for this assignment. Once you put the code, you hit here where it says go. You will see that the first thing that will appear is the list of all of Miss Teresita's students. It says welcome Miss Teresita's class, and what you have to do is find your name here and click on your name. Alright, so you look for your name and you click that. When you click on your name, you're inside Getepic, which is a library. It is a virtual library where you will be able to read lots of books. As you can see, as soon as you log in, you will find this message that says that Ms. Teresita has sent you a book for you to read. So for this writing assignment, you have to read this book about the pangolin. So all you have to do is when this message appears, you click check it out. This book, it says here read to me, can be read to you. If you click here, it says play, you just hit play and listen to the book. I will show you. So you can pause the book and continue reading on your own, all right? So, and if you want to know what the word is pronounced, you just click on it and it will tell you, listen. All right? Like this, you change the page, all right? And if you want the book to continue reading to you, you just hit play again and you go on. So what you have to do is read the whole book, you turn the pages and you read all of them. Remember that this program will tell us how long it took you to read the book. So don't just turn the pages. Make sure you read all of it. Besides, it's really interesting. So you're going to read about the pangolin. When you finish, you have to click here where it says finish book. And look, when you finish a book, it gives me points. The more points I have, the more things I will be able to do in Getepic. And now it suggests other books for me to read. Remember, this is a library, so I can check many other books if I want. The book that it's an obligation to read, let's say, is this one about the pangolin. But once you finish, you have, as I said, you have a whole library for you to read whatever you want, okay? That's for you. This library will suggest some books for you, all right? You can read whatever you want. If you want to read more books, they are very interesting. If you click here, read to me, it will show you only books that are read to you, like the one about the pangolin that reads to you, all right? I recommend the section about comics. You have some interesting comics here too. All right? The assignment for today is to read the one about the pangolin. is it clear? This is your profile. You can change the avatar, all right? If you want, you can change the avatar. But look, some avatars are locked. That means that you need, for example, to have this avatar, I need to finish 10 books. To have this one, I need to finish 20 books. So the more you read, the more things I can change this. The more you read, you see, the more you read, the more things you will be able to do. And as you can see, it tells me how many minutes it has taken you to read the book, okay? Well, I hope you enjoy this library. It's really, really, really great, okay? But that's all. Thank you.